I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make smoothies like Jamba Juice. Start by gathering your ingredients, focusing on quality frozen fruit for that signature thick consistency. You'll also need a good liquid base, like fruit juice or a dairy alternative, to help everything blend smoothly. Don't forget to consider adding a nutritional boost for an extra healthy kick. This approach ensures a delicious, refreshing smoothie every time. For that perfect Jamba-style smoothie, the right balance of ingredients is crucial. Aim for about 1.5 cups of your favorite frozen fruits, like berries or mango, to create a substantial base. Then, add approximately 1/2 cup of liquid, such as apple juice or almond milk, to achieve the ideal blending consistency. For an extra creamy texture or protein boost, a scoop of Greek yogurt or protein powder works wonders. Achieving that smooth, consistent texture requires proper blending technique. Begin by blending your ingredients on a low speed to break down the frozen fruit without overworking your blender. Once the mixture starts to combine, gradually increase the speed to high, allowing everything to become perfectly smooth. If ingredients get stuck, pause and scrape down the sides of the blender with a spatula to ensure an even blend. Now for the fun part, customization. Feel free to experiment with different additions to make your smoothie uniquely yours. A handful of fresh spinach or kale can boost nutrients without altering the taste much. For added fiber and omega-3 fatty acids, a tablespoon of chia seeds is a great choice. And speaking of great choices, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals. Enjoy your delicious, homemade Jamba-style smoothie.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.